How do you do it?
Ohio. I'm going to Ohio.
You said, who said that?
How to do it?
Look, make it go like this.
Slow down, slow down. Hey, what did you
And
do?
leave it in for a second. Let go. And jump and go over here.
I'm punching her.
Wait.
I'm going. I can't.
I'm ready for Ohio. Just wait. Just wait. I'm waiting for Ohio.
Next. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare for takeoff.
You never got me.
Alright, take it out. Let go. Great, let go.
Let go.
Now come over here.
Let go.
Just grab it. Right. I know you have to come over here and do it.
Bye.
In.
No, I went around 2 times. Come here.
Let go.
Guess what? Driving on the wall.
I went around
Holy
2
crap.
times. How did you do it?
Tell me. Teach me.
Who needs help teaching?
You can see the rocket. But too hard. Just grab it.
Who needs help doing it?
No, guys. If you get high enough, you can see the rocket.
Yeah.
If you get high enough, you can see the rocket. Great.
Anyone here?
You know, if you get high enough, like just above there, you can see the rocket.
Gorillas can fly here. Yeah.
Bro, it's not working sometimes. Brandon, it's not working sometimes. Like, it's really not working.
Oh, bye, you guys. I'm going to order.
Bro, it's not working for me.
Bye, you guys. I'm going to order space.
Oh,
See ya.
working not as supposed to.
No work.
Need to be 100%. Bro, Red, it's not working for me anymore.
I know it's not gonna work all the time. It takes time. But it's not working
It takes time to learn.
It takes time.
Yeah, it's a rocket.
No, it just takes time, you know? Takes
I
time.
know you're not gonna. Bro, I got it wrong 6 times in a row, but that's okay. Black, look at this. Ready?
Come down here.
Bro, you don't need to run. You just go up to the wall and jump.
Who needs help?
Do not jump. The best spots are to do it back here. That's when you really go launching. What's up? Oh my god. Brett, is it working for you? I
What
thought
the
it was starting.
stars? Bro, I keep hitting the ball.
Let's just. Woohoo!
I have another clip where you can go through the glass.
Bro, you can go for the. Bro, of course this is not
What's
working.
up? Why isn't it working anymore?
Bro,
It takes time.
look. Stick it in.
Be patient.
Stick it in
Yeah,
and
it's
let
not
the
gonna
black
work
show. Let the black show. Not over there. I was showing you guys. Come over here. Right. Come